everyone! Welcome back to our podcast!
Yay! Oh my god!
Today we are going to talk about something a lot of people don't really notice, even though it happens every day. Our group wants to highlight a real and ongoing problem happening in the campus elevator. These issues has been around for quite some times. And honestly, it kept happening because many students still aren't fully aware of the proper rules when
That's right. Yeah.
when using shared
Yes.
facilities like elevator, right?
That's right.
Yeah, actually, we have all the same problem. Students smoking or vaping inside the elevator and leaving shoes mark in lift doors elevator. Maybe for some people, this action small or helpless, but they actually show a lack of responsibility and consideration. Since the elevator is a shared space, everyone else the affected. And for me, there's a real absence or awareness and respect for the environment we'll all share. That's actually that we want to address towards this project.
Right, Anna, and the impact is actually much bigger than people think. When someone smokes or vapes inside the elevator, the smell doesn't just disappear, it stays. And many students are sensitive to smoke. In a small and closed space like an elevator, the smell can linger for a long time. And then there are the tissue marks. These marks make the elevator look unpleasant and poorly maintained. It doesn't give the image of a clean and responsible campus. Over time, the campus will need to spend more money on cleaning and repairs, money that could be used for more important things.
And the worst part is when bad habits just going undressed. They slowly become normal. People start thinking, oh, it's okay to smoke here, or it's fine to leave marks, and that weakens of the sense of community respect we should have in our campus environment.
And the saddest part is the ones affected are all the students who use the elevator every day. Many of them may not even have read the previous warning or may not realize how their action affect others. So our target audience is every Sanata Dharma University student who use the elevator. We want to make it clear this project is not meant to punishment to anyone. Our goal is to guide the whole student community toward positive habits that benefit everyone. Because at the end of the day, we all share this same place.
So I think we can do some project like makes the solution of that problem, right?
Yes, right.
Yes. I think installing CCTV cameras in the elevator can help to identify the student that they smoking, vaping, or vandalism, right?
Right,
Good
yes.
idea.
So the CCTV cameras are work as technological way to prevent violation. When the student know if the elevator is in they're installed by CCTV, they may be like, oh, there's CCTV. We don't smoking, don't vaping in here like that.
Yes,
So I think it can reduce that violation like that.
And I think the second approach is creating clear and eye-catching posters, right?
Right. Yes.
This is really important, I think, because many students don't break the rules on purpose. Sometimes they're just not informed or simply they are not pay attention, right?
Right.
So if we make a posters and poster help remind them about proper elevator etiquette, we can place them in strategic location, right? Like the elevator buttons, or beside the entrance, or maybe on the walls, where students naturally look at posters. These posters will be simple. They have gentle reminder that encourage students to maintain clean lines and behave properly. They can act a constant visual message that continue working even when no one is watching.
Right.
That's a good idea, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why method complement each other. CCTV provide the monitoring and preparation, and the poster provide the information and education. The technology makes students more careful, and the poster help them long-term understand the rules matter. It's not just about stopping violation; it's about building long-term awareness.
Oh, I see. I think so. Here's how the project will actually work. First, the poster will be designed with clean layouts, clear messages, and strong visibility. After the poster are printed, they will be placed in inside and outside the elevator. At the same time, the CCTV cameras will be installed to monitor activities inside the elevator. The project team will also politely approach students whenever violations are observed, using a respectful tone to explain how their behavior affects others. This combination of visual reminders, monitoring, and respectful communication will help students to understand that their behavior affects others with maintaining cleanliness and following the rules.
So I think the name of our project is improving the awareness of Sanata Dharma University student using campus elevator facilities.
Wow, good idea. Yes.
I chose this because the main purpose is not just to prevent smoking or reduce vandalism, but it's about raising awareness and encouraging students to practice good habits. And the name reflects the educational, the community building aspect of the project.
Yes.
Of course, even with a strong plan, we know there will be challenges. Students might become too familiar with the poster and start ignoring them. Maybe some will still break the rules even with CCTV.
That's why we need keep things fresh, right?
Right.
We can
Yeah, that's
update the posters every few months, change their design layout, or even with their place, we can change the another place to make the posters. And because students spend a lot of time online, we can use social media like Instagram to make reminders for them, right?
Right.
Seeing the message in both physical and digital space, I think it can help the awareness can be alive.
Yeah. In my opinion, this will issue happiness because students don't fully understand the importance or in my opinion, this will issue happiness because students don't fully understand the importance of respecting shared space.
I agree. Some people will think that their action will not affect others, but actually they do.
Same here, like smoking in small space, small public place like elevator is so inconsiderate. Yeah, it's not respect.
Yes.
I slightly disagree. I think some students don't do it intentionally. They just don't pay attention, Andin.
Yes.
For me, the real issue is awareness. If students understand the impact, they will change.
So here are the steps so here are the steps students can take to support our project. First, read the poster around the elevator. Next, follow all the rules written on the poster. Then, report any violations to campus staff. And then, after that, remind your friends to keep our elevator clean. And finally, keep practicing good habits every single day.
So that's all our podcast. Thank you for listening to our podcast.
We hope this
Yay.
project will help create a cleaner, safer, and more respectful elevator environment.
Awareness starts with a small action.
Let's all play a part in keeping our shared spaces clean.
See you in the next episode.
Bye!